Toaster ovens can act as a toaster, convection oven, air fryer, and warming device all in one, from the comfort and convenience of your countertop. There are many products available to choose toaster ovens, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best toaster ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid KCO 211BM Digital Countertop Toaster Oven. This is an effective cooker that heats thoroughly and maneuvers easily, all at an affordable price. The KitchenAid would be good for anyone who wants a high-quality toaster oven at a decent price, from beginners all the way to professionals, said product tester Chris Gorsuch. Despite the large capacity, it's still a streamlined gadget, so it doesn't take up too much space on the countertop. The interior is coated with a non-stick finish, so the oven is easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth between uses. We found the instruction book to be extremely detailed and clear, so the machine is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. It has a digital internal timer that's easy to read and set thanks to the LCD control panel. It still performed exceptionally well. Number 2. Black Plus Decker 4-Slice Convection Oven. This super simple toaster oven produced some of the most evenly toasted bread of any oven that we tested. It's compact and lightweight, with basic functions like bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. It can still accommodate a 9 inches pizza and 4 slices of bread. This oven is basic and simple, so it doesn't have a lot of the extra features that some other ovens do. It's an effective, quick, and standard toaster oven. This is a perfectly functional option for someone with limited kitchen space who is looking for the convenience of a countertop cooker. Number 3. Instant Omni Plus 19QT divided by 18 liters Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's efficient, quick, and thorough, and the addition of an air fry function means it replaces multiple cooking gadgets in one. This multifunctional piece of equipment replaces a toaster, air fryer, rotisserie, pizza oven, and more, meaning it'll streamline your kitchen and save valuable countertop space. The functionality is easy to understand and use, thanks to a large digital display and clear, thorough instructions. The temperature was accurate and the toasting feature was spot on. The baking function is awesome and the air fryer functionality is great as well. The oven has a digital timer that dings when done, and comes equipped with a cooking pan, rotisserie lift, rotisserie pit, forks, setting screws, and an air fry basket. All the accessories are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Toaster Oven. This is a sturdy oven from a reliable brand that delivers consistent results. The oven has 9 preset functions that will help introduce versatility to your cooking projects, all in one convenient machine. The presets are easy to control thanks to a digital LCD screen, and each preset button brings you directly to the specific time and temperature needed to cook that item. This oven includes a pizza pan, broiling rack, enameled roasting pan, and an air fryer basket. Additionally, a removable crumb tray makes it easy to clean up debris. We found the oven to be very effective at baking cookies, and the broiler helped to melt cheese efficiently. Also, it's important to keep in mind that we noticed a few cold spots toward the edges of the oven, but this didn't affect functionality. Number 5. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. If your home is tight on kitchen space, the last thing you want to do is add another gadget to your collection. That's why we love this space-saving option from Ninja. It's an 8-in-1 oven that flips up and against your backsplash when not in use. That way, you get the full benefit of a large toaster oven when you want it, and you don't have to deal with any countertop clutter when you're done. Better yet, it takes the place of 8 different machines, so it's like having a toaster, oven, air fryer, and more, all in one streamlined machine. It has 8 functions including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm, all of which are easy to control thanks to the clear and bright LCD panel. The air fry function worked powerfully, yielding perfectly crispy French fries. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.